Hey, I'm going to be showing you guys a special feature in the OeeZee software. It's the ability to emulate a momentary push button, and it's actually pretty simple to work. You're going to use your browser again to send the command to your board. You're going to access the IP address of your board. And then you're going to go ahead and write in another command. It's called Momentary button. So you're going to go slash momentary underscore button dot html relay 1. Alright, so now once I press down the clicker, the relay will turn on and it will turn off as soon as I leave the clicker. So I'm going to show you guys an example. I'm going to press relay 1. Now it stays on. As soon as I let go, it'll turn off. And one more time.